Hello students, welcome back in another session of 12th Science Computer Science subject in paper 2. So let us proceed chapter 1 Introduction and Organization of 8085 Microprocessor session 9. Student, now in this video we are going to learn about flag register in 8085 microprocessor. This is very important topic because on this topic in board paper compulsory one of the question is asked, explain the flag register in 8085 microprocessor or solve the problem depends upon this flag register. Now see carefully, flag is how the flag is set or reset. Now in last session we are studied about programming model of 8085 microprocessor. In this programming model, PSW means program status word. It is also called as flag. Now flag means, what do you mean by flag? Flag is a single bit status register. Flag means is a single bit status register. Single bit means binary bit, either 1 or either 0. It is also called as flip-flop. Now you know very well what is flip-flop. Flip means 1 and flop means 0. Now flags are either set or reset by arithmetical logic unit according to the result by ALU. Flag register is a group of flip-flop used to give the status of different operation result. And when operation is performed by arithmetical logic unit, the result is stored in accumulator and status of the result will be stored in flip-flop. See, when operation is performed by ALU, the result is stored in accumulator. Accumulator means one of the register in 8085 microprocessor, and status of the result will be stored in flip-flop. Now flag are either set or reset according to ALU result. And flags are very important because they are conditions for conditional branching instruction. Now what do you mean by conditional branching instruction? All instruction we are learn in next chapter in detail. Now see, in 8085 flag register there are 5 flags in 8085. See, first see, these are bit pattern. Okay, see here, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. These are the bit number, or these are 8 bit. Why 8 bit? Because 8085 is 8 bit microprocessor. Now in these bit number, these are the 5 flags. See, at 0th place carry flag, these are status flags. Okay, at 0th place carry flag is there. Then D1 there is no any flags. D2 is parity flag, and D3 is no any flags. At D4 place AC means auxiliary carry flag. D5 is no flag. D6, at D6 location Z means 0 flag is there. And last at D7 location sign flag is there. Means in 8085 D1, D3 and D5 these are undefined bits. These are undefined bits. See once again. These are 8 bit status. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. These are bit numbers. 8 bit, 8085 is a 8 bit microprocessor. Now in these 8 bit, at first position means at 0th location, this 8 bit number, 5 flags are there. 1 bit 5 flags are there. But at different location. Means see, at 0th location carry flag is there. At second location, parity flag is there. At fourth location, auxiliary carry flag is there. At sixth location, zero flag is there. And seventh location, sign flag is there. And D1, D3, D5, there is no any flag, status flag, means these bits are undefined bits. Students, always remember position of these flags. Okay, means at zeroth place always carry flag is there, second place always parity flag is there, fourth place always auxiliary carry flag is there, and sixth and seventh place zero and sign flag status are there, and 1, 3, 5 are undefined bits. Now see how these all flags are when set or when it is reset. In which condition each flag is set or reset. Set means 1 and reset means 0. Now see first flag, carry flag. In carry flag it is also defined C1. Carry C. Set means 1. If carry flag is set, then it is a binary bit of 1. If carry flag is reset, then binary bit of 0. Now this flag is set if there is an overflow of out of bit 7. Listen properly. This flag is set if there is an overflow of out of bit 7. Means if 8 bit is created after D7, then carry flag is set. And the carry flag is also served as a borrow flag for subtraction. If we are calculated subtraction using in ALU operation, then instead of carry, then borrow word is used. And if addition is there, then carry word is used. Now see the example how carry flag is set or reset. See, these are the instruction. Students, these MVIA B3H, then second one MVIB A5H, third is add B and HLT. This type of programs we are learn in next chapter 8085 microprocessor. So because these are instruction, total instruction in 8085. After we are learn instructions, then how to write programs in 8085. But these are the some few example like this type of problems or programs in 8085 microprocessor. So what do you mean by MVIA B3H? H means it indicates hexadecimal number. Now you know AB. AB is a general purpose register. MVI means move immediate. Add B. Add means addition of B register with A. To store the result at accumulator. Now see, in accumulator store which data? B3. Now in B3, what is the hexadecimal number of B3? See here 10110101. Now in B register stored 8 A5 data. Now what is the hexadecimal number of A5? 10100101. I think you know hexadecimal number of 0 to 50. Okay, because these hexadecimal numbers we are learned in last year, and these are the bit status B0 to B7. You can write also D0, D1, D2, D3 or B0, B1, B2, B3. Now see, what is add B? Add means addition of accumulator and B register. Now you know rules of binary addition. If 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, no carry is there. And if 1 plus 1 is 10, means 0 is sum, 1 is carry. And 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 11, 1 is sum and 1 is carry. Now see addition of these B3 and A5 data. See, 1 plus 1, 0. Here carry is 1. Then 0 plus 0 and plus 1 is 1. Then next is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry here 1. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. Next is 1 plus 1 is 10. The sum is 0, carry is 1 at B6 position. Then B1 plus 0 is 1 and last one is 1 plus 1 is 10, that is 0 is a sum and 1 is carry. Now if carry means this is a overflow out of bit 7, because see here these B7 and this is a after bit 7 carry flag is created. So here carry flag is set. See here after ALU operation B7 bit of the result generates carry flag or carry bit. So carry flag is set to 1. If there is no carry, then carry flag is reset. Understood student how the carry flag is set or reset? Now next flag is parity flag. Parity means either even or odd, and it is also called, it indicates by P. Parity flag here also if set, then parity flag is set, then 1, and if parity flag is reset, then it indicates 0. Now parity is defined by the number of ones present in the accumulator. Why accumulator is used? Because accumulator store the result of arithmetical logic unit. So what is the definition of this parity? What is the meaning of this parity? Parity is defined by the number of ones present in the accumulator. If the result has an even number of ones, that is even parity, then parity flag is set to 1 or set. See, even number of ones in after ALU operation, then parity is set. And if the result accumulator contains, means if the result is odd number of ones, the parity flag is reset, that is 0. Now see the example how the parity flag is set or reset. See, take one more example. MVIA76H, ORAA and HLT. HLT means halt the operation or stop the operation, end of the program. Now MVI means move immediate, A means accumulator, 76H, 76 data stored in accumulator. ORAA means logically OR gate. Now you know logic gates and or not. See one of these logically OR gate. ORA means accumulator logically OR with accumulator. Now see how to see. A contains which data? 76. Now write binary bit or hexadecimal number in 76. See 0, 1, 1, 1. These are 7, 0, 1, 1, 0. These are 6. That is 76 hexadecimal number. Again, because ORA means instead of this A, you can write here also any other general purpose register, means B, C, D, E, H, N. Okay. Now in again ORAA means logically or with accumulator. See, same here 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now these are the bit, means these are position of this B0 to B7. Now logically or see, you know truth table of logic OR gate? See here, if 0 0 then 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1 and 1 1 is 1, means at the input is 0 0 then output is 0. The remaining are, if one of the input is 1 then output is 1. Now see in this, see here, if 0 0 0, 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 0 0 0, 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 1 1 1 and 0 0 0, according to this logic OR gate truth table. Now what is parity flag? If even number of ones, then parity flag is set, and if odd number of ones, then parity flag is reset. Now what is the result after this ALU? After the execution of this instruction, how many ones in their result? How many ones in their result? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the result after executing ORA instruction. Then 5 means odd number. So parity flag is set or reset? Parity flag is set or reset? Reset, because odd number of ones. Now after arithmetic and logical operation, result is odd number of ones, odd number of ones. So parity flag is reset. Understood, student, how the parity flag is set or reset? Now see, next flag is auxiliary carry flag. It indicates also AC. Auxiliary carry flag, see, it is also if set then 1 is there, if reset then 0 is there in bit status flag or bit number. Now in an arithmetic operation, when carry is generated from bit B3 to B4, the auxiliary flag is set to 1. Means if carry is generated and it transferred to B3 bit to B4, then auxiliary carry flag is set, that is binary bit 1. This flag is only available internally and used for BCD operations and not available for programmer. Understood, student? Means this operation processing internally and used for BCD operation. What do you mean by BCD? BCD means binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal, and it is not available for programmer. If you can write program use BCD numbers, these automatically processing will be internally. At that time auxiliary carry flag is set or reset, depends upon your instruction or depends upon your executing processing. Now see how the auxiliary carry flag is set or reset. See the example. See, these are few instructions right here: MVIA29H, MVIBCDH, then add B and HLT. See once again, MVIA29 means move immediate 29 data in accumulator. Means 29 data stored in accumulator. A means accumulator. MVIB CD means CD data stored in B register. And last is add B means addition of accumulator plus B register and stored result in accumulator. Students, after this session, in next chapter, we are learn in detail these all instruction. So don't worry about this. What do you mean by MVIA, MVIB or add B, HLT? So in this topic, how the flags are reset and set. So I will take these few instruction for explanation. Now see, in accumulator stored 29 data. Now 29, write the hexadecimal number in 8 bit, 29 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. These are the hexadecimal number of 29. Now CD 1100 1101. These are the hexadecimal number of CD. Now what is the next step? Add B. Add B means addition of accumulator and B register. And store the result in accumulator register. Now again here apply binary rules for addition. See here, addition of this 1 plus 1 is 0. Then carry forward to next position, that is 1. B 1 position, then 1 plus 0 0, then 1. Then next at B2 position 0 plus 1 is 1. At B3 1 plus 1 is 0, 10. 0 is sum and carry transferred to at B4 position. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. At B5 1 plus 0 is 1. B6 0 plus 1 is 1. And B7 0 plus 1 is 1. Now student, see here. Here B3 is transferred in B4. So what is the meaning auxiliary carry flag? In an arithmetic operation, when carry is generated from bit B3 to B4, then auxiliary carry flag is set. So in this example, auxiliary carry flag is set or reset? Set, because bit B3 is transferred to bit B4. So auxiliary carry flag means parity. So instead of this P, write here AC. Printing mistake is there. Instead of P, write here AC, because auxiliary carry flag is set. In above arithmetic operation, bit B3 is transferred to bit B4. So parity is here also, auxiliary carry flag is set to 1. Understood student? How auxiliary carry flag is set or reset? Now see, next is zero flag. Listen carefully. Zero flag is when it is set or reset. Set means again 1, reset is 0. Now see, after programming an arithmetic and logical operation, if the result is 0, then zero flag is set to 1. Otherwise it is reset. Means after performing the ALU operation, totally result becomes 0, then zero flag is set, that is bit 1. Otherwise it is reset. The zero flag is also set if a certain register content becomes 0 following an increment or decrement operation of that register. Means in 8085 instructions, some instructions are zero flag is set or reset. See, following increment or decrement instructions in 8085, at that time zero flag is set or reset. Now see the example. See here, MVIA 29H XRA. XRA means exclusive OR gate, means XOR gate. Now I think you know XOR gate, OR gate, okay. Then HLT. XRA means logical XOR with A. MVIA 29H means 29 stored in accumulator register. MVI means move immediate, means move immediately 29 data transferred in accumulator register. Now see how to execute this instruction, or how the zero flag is set or reset after this ALU operation. Now accumulator stored which data? 29. Now 29 write in hexadecimal number. See, 0011 1001. These are the hexadecimal number of 29H. Now again write A equal to 29, because here XRAA means accumulator XOR with accumulator. So here again write hexadecimal number 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 and apply logically truth table of XOR gate. I think you know logically truth table of XOR gate. See here, if 0 0 is there, then answer is 0. If 0 1, then answer is 1. If 1 0, answer is 1 and 1 1 is 0. Mean in XOR truth table, if both inputs are same, then output is 0. If one of the input is 0 or 1, then output is 1. Then apply this truth table in this operation. Logically XRA means logically XOR gate. Now see 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0, because if both inputs are same, then output becomes 0 according to this XOR gate truth table. So after this ALU operation, result is totally 0. Totally 0 means after performing ALU operation, if result is 0, then 0 flag is set or reset. 0 flag is set means Z is equal to 1. Listen carefully. If all bits becomes 0 after ALU operation, at that time 0 flag is set. Many times students jumbling for this 0 flag because operation result becomes 0. Then why 0 flag is set? It is reset. No, these are different wording in 0 flag or different operation apply this 0 flag. If totally result becomes 0, at that time 0 flag is set. Now in this 0 flag is set because the ALU operation result is 0. Understood student? How result 0 flag is set or reset? Totally result is 0, then 0 flag is set. If any one of these 8 bit, if 1 is there, one of the bit is 1, then not 0 flag is reset. Understood? 0 flag is how set or reset. Now see the last flag in 8085 at 7 bit position, sign flag. Sign flag, it also indicates yes. It is also when it is set then 1, if it is reset then it indicates 0. What is the use of these sign flags? This flag is used with sign numbers. Sign number means either giving number is positive or negative. So sign flag is used with sign number. After the execution arithmetic and logical operations, if bit B7 of the result is 1, the sign flag is set. And in a given byte, if bit B7 is 1, the number will be negative. Means at B7 position, number is 1, then result will be negative. Means at the MSB. MSB means most significant bit. Means at which side? Left or right side? Left side. Left side it is known as MSB and at right side known as LSB. And in given byte means if bit B7 is 0, the number will be considered as positive number. If B7 is 0, the number will be considered as positive number. See the example. See here, if given byte B7 is 1, the number is negative. If bit B7 is 0, the number is positive. Now see example. MVI 35H, MVI B 4AH, add B and HLT. Now see again, here accumulator and B register are used. In first instruction, MVI A 35H means 35 stored in accumulator. MVI B 4AH means move immediately for A data in register B. A, B are general purpose register. And next is add B. Add B means addition of accumulator with register B and stored result in accumulator. And HLT means stop the operation. Now see how execute here. See bit pattern B0 to B7. Now 35, write hexadecimal number of 35 00110101. And in B register stored 4AH data. Now write hexadecimal number of 4A 4010011010. These are the hexadecimal number of 4A. Now apply binary addition rules, because here which instruction is executing? Add B. Now see here, add B means addition of this A and B means addition of this 35 plus 4A according to binary rules. Now see here, 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 0 plus 1 is 1. And 0 plus 0 is 0. See here, in bit B7 position become 0 or 1? 0. So, if bit B7 is 0, the number considered as positive number. Number considered as positive number. If in bit B7 here 1 is becomes, then number considered as negative number. But in this example, after ALU operation at B7, 0 becomes at bit B7 position. So number considered as a positive number. So sign flag is set or reset? Sign flag is reset, because 0 becomes at 7th position. So S equal to 0, S indicates sign flag. After an ALU operation, bit B7 of the result is 0, the sign flag is reset. And the sign bit indicates the result is positive. Understood, student? How the sign flag is set or reset? Now, in this session, we will study about all flags in 8085 microprocessor. Now, in next session, we study example depends upon this flag register. Okay, student? Thank you.